So I'd like to tell you some words about belt which I got from Banggood. This is not bad belt. It's a bit stretchy. You can. It's quite flexible. I'm not sure about leather. Is it real leather or not? I don't know. Probably not. But anyway, it is quite good quality thing. And let's measure it. About 102 or 3, and as I have already said, it's a bit stretchy. You can even, and the funny thing that you don't need any hole, just do it like that. In any position you can do it like that, and it's very comfortable. And it's and what about width? It's about 3.5. And if you need this measure, why not? I think it's good towards buying it. Pretty nice quality. Thank you for watching it, and goodbye.